What's very unique about Mr. Restore is our number one priority with our company is customer satisfaction and customer service. We work 100% for the customer. We do not have our interest vested in the insurance company.
I think Clint with his folks have done a great job in reinventing the industry.
They are dependable and reliable, all around good company.
At the end of the day, our priority is making sure that customer is 100% satisfied with the job that we've done for them.
The type of people that he hires a lot of off-duty firefighters. You know, they know the job, they know how to act properly, they're trustworthy.
I guess integrity is a big part. They do what they say they're going to do and how they're going to do it.
We started looking for someone, and then with Clint, you know, he was on a small list. I give my battalion chiefs everything that we asked of them, they did. And beyond.
Most recently at the prison, we had a fire in one of the warden houses. We were actually able to get them set up with Mr. Restore.
They know how to approach people who've had a bad day. They're not out there, you know, salespeople, you know, pressuring people. I had a major water leak in my home, and I called Clint, and they actually came out and did a full restoration on my house. The home was flooded, and I got to experience firsthand the job they did.
My face is usually the first face that customer sees. When the job's completed, I want it to be the last face they see and throughout the entire process.
An organization's your people. And I know the people that Clint has brought on board, you know, are good people. A lot of them are off-duty firemen. Some of them actually have worked for me before.
Couldn't think of a better man to work for on my off days. I feel, and it's just in my experience, when you have a personal relationship with your customers and your customers feel that they can call you at any time of the day, whether it be night, early in the morning, and reach out to you and you answer the phone, or come out and see them just to visit with them on, you know, these are bad days for people where their house caught on fire, got blown away by a tornado, the house is flooded. These are catastrophes for these people. So in a sense, we're there to also help, and at times, yeah, we can be a comfort for them because they know we're there to help them, and we're going to be there to do anything and everything we can for them.
It's like taking a patient to the hospital. We stabilize them, we turn them over to the doctors. You know, we get out there, we put out the fire, we may turn off the water, we may get the main water out there, but to be able to turn them over to a restoration company that can get them back to fully whole, that's important to us. It is a partnership, exactly what it is.